Did you know that fluoride may not be the ultimate answer to protecting your teeth? In fact, there's a hidden reason why cavities keep coming back, no matter how much fluoride you use. And today, I'm going to reveal the secret behind what's really happening to your teeth and how you can fix it naturally. For decades, we've all been told that fluoride is the gold standard for preventing cavities. Toothpaste, mouthwash, dental treatments, you name it. It's all packed with fluoride. But here's the big question. If fluoride is so effective, why do so many people still suffer from tooth decay? Why are cavities still so common? Here's the truth no one's talking about. Fluoride only acts as a temporary fix. It places a protective shield over your teeth, but it doesn't go to the root of the problem, and that leaves your teeth vulnerable to future decay. Here's what fluoride doesn't address. Your teeth actually have a natural ability to repair and strengthen themselves. That's right, your teeth can heal. It's called the remineralization process, and it happens in your mouth every single day. But here's the catch. Most of us are unknowingly sabotaging this process without even realizing it. So what's stopping your teeth from repairing themselves? The answer lies in your oral microbiome. That's the ecosystem of bacteria living in your mouth. When this delicate balance is disrupted, harmful bacteria start to take over. These harmful bacteria produce acids that strip minerals away from your teeth, weakening your enamel and setting you up for more cavities. If you've ever wondered why cavities seem to keep coming back, this imbalance is a big part of the problem. But there's good news. You can fix it, and you can do it naturally. Enter the Navy Tooth Repair Hack. This method was originally designed to help soldiers maintain strong, healthy teeth during long missions where they didn't have access to regular dental care. Instead of relying on fluoride, this technique works by restoring balance to the oral microbiome and directly supplying your teeth with the minerals they need to remineralize naturally. And the best part? You can do this right at home. If you want to learn exactly how the Navy Tooth Repair Hack works and how you can try it yourself, I've linked a free presentation in the description below. This video breaks down the full process and shows you how to support your dental health naturally. No fluoride required. But don't wait. This could be the solution you've been looking for, and the information might not be available for long. Click the link in the description now and see how you can transform your dental health today.